Hello traders, welcome back to this series of videos that FXCM has for you. Right here on our YouTube channel, my name is David Londoño. I'm a trader and I also do market analysis, technical analysis indeed. Even though I want to talk to you in this video about the fundamental analysis and how can we link it with our technical analysis and take approach markets as we aim to do. So the fundamental analysis, it involves evaluating the financial health and performance of companies to determine its intrinsic value. So here's some key points on how to use it for trading decisions. Okay, let's start. Economic indicators. These must of all, for example, if you want to do Forex, well, then keep track of the key economic indicators like GDP growth, inflation rates, and interest rates. So this can impact overall market sentiment and specific sectors. For example, if you want to trade with companies, have to be checking constantly the company financials. Analyze a company's financial statements, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Look for trends in revenue, earnings, debt levels, profit margins, and so on. After that, we have industry analysis. We want to really know what we're talking about, at least before we perform our trades. Understand the dynamics of the industry that the company operates in. Factors like competition, regulatory environment, technological advancement, all of that can influence a company's performance. That's very important on our industry analysis. But then we have also the constantly news and events. So stay informed about news, events, and developments related to the company and its industry. Earnings reports, product launches, regulatory approvals, for example, geopolitical events can all impact stock prices. And finally, this is something very important when we want to link our fundamental analysis for the long-term perspective. Fundamental analysis is often used by long-term investors to identify quality companies with strong growth potential. However, it can also be incorporated into shorter-term trading, as we do with our strategies, by considering the impact of fundamental factors on the price movements. So basically, it's like for giving us a bias, for giving us an idea of the direction the stock may go. By integrating fundamental analysis into your trading decisions, you can make more informed choices based on the underlying value on prospects of the assets you are trading in. You're interested in know more about the fundamental analysis and know how to take advantage of it with your technical analysis, I want to recommend you this article we have on FXCM platform, the fundamental analysis. What is it? Why do you need it? And so on. So take a look at this one if you want to know more about it. And we also have different articles on the platform if you want to go deeper on that. Okay, so that will be all for this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to share and subscribe.